Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Salesforce investments, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding your current use of Salesforce and its features. Analyze your organization's specific needs to identify potential areas for savings. Review the various Salesforce products available and determine which ones align with your goals. Consider consolidating multiple subscriptions into one to reduce costs. Utilize Salesforce's built-in reporting tools for tracking usage and identifying underutilized features. Set clear objectives to measure the effectiveness of your Salesforce investment. Engage with your Salesforce account executive to explore discounts or special pricing for your organization. Take advantage of free resources available in the Salesforce community, like training and webinars. Establish a regular review process to evaluate your Salesforce usage and its ROI. Encourage your team to participate in training programs to maximize the benefits of the platform. Experiment with Salesforce's automation features to streamline workflows and improve efficiency. Regularly assess your data management practices to avoid unnecessary costs related to data storage. Integrate third-party applications that can enhance Salesforce functionality without incurring extra costs. Monitor your contract details to ensure you're aware of renewal dates and any potential rate changes. Leverage Salesforce's customer support to resolve issues quickly and avoid downtime. Stay informed about updates and new features that can offer savings or efficiency gains. By following these steps, you can effectively save on Salesforce investments while maximizing its benefits for your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.